All right. Hi, everybody. Your lesson for today is about Diamante Poems. So let's look at what those are, okay? So first we'll start by reviewing that we have talked about all sorts of different parts of speech so far. We've talked about nouns, articles, adjectives, and verbs. First graders, you're just getting into the verbs, but this will be great practice for using all of the different types of speech that we've learned so far, okay? So diamante is the Italian word for diamond because if you look at the shape of the poem, it kind of looks like a diamond. It starts out skinnier at the top, gets fat in the middle, and then skinny at the bottom again. Okay? So this poem can either be used to describe two different things and kind of talk about how they're similar and different. Like here we have water and land. Okay. So it says water, wet, deep, flowing, splashing, swaying, island, lake, forest, ocean, growing, stabilizing, living, hard, dry, land. So this is talking about how water and land are two different things. Okay, but it's kind of cool how in the middle of the poem, the two things come together, even though they are so different. Okay, let's look at another one. This one is comparing opposites again. This one is comparing the sun and the moon. So this one says sun, radiant, golden, blazing, burning, blinding, lights day, illuminates night, shining, orbiting, reflecting, clam, silvery, moon. Now, that might just kind of seem like a whole bunch of random words to you, but there's actually a pattern, okay? So this is the pattern that we follow when we're doing Diamante poems. You put a noun, then you do two adjectives, which are describing words. Then you need three verbs, which are action words that end in ing. Then your big long one is a four-word phrase that ties the two verbs together. So, for example, on the previous one, it said, lights day, illuminates night. It talks about both kinds. Here, island, lake, forest, ocean, okay? So it can just be listing four things, or it could be like two short little phrases. Okay, then you're going to go back and you're going to have your second noun and you're going to use three ing words to describe your second noun, then two adjectives for your second noun, and then your noun. For example, let me just do one off the top of my head. I'm going to compare mother and father. So I'm going to have mother at the top and father at the bottom. So I'm going to do mother. My two adjectives would be caring. My two adjectives would be warm and cuddly. My ing verbs would be caring, helping, loving. My four-word phrase that's going to tie mom and dad together would be together they are family. And now I'm going to do my ing words for dad. So I'm going to say helping, building, fixing. My adjective would be tough and brawny. And then my noun would be dad or father. Okay, so I compared two unlike things there. Okay, so now this is your turn. Okay, I'm going to share this with you, and there are already text boxes on here so that you can go ahead and type in right on this page right here. So you'll be able to type in the boxes to write your poem. Okay, have some fun with it. The best place to start is to think about the two nouns that you want to compare. You can compare anything. You can compare cats and dogs. You can compare peanut butter and jelly. You can compare apples and oranges. It doesn't matter. You get to decide. Okay? If you have any questions, please let your teachers know. Thanks, guys.